that you've returned. We're at the end of the video. I'm sure some of you guys have already tuned out by now. It's very seldom people watch the whole video. I need to put this part in the beginning if I'm not already in the beginning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat 2 or Nat A2. Welcome back to this Nat Tuesday. This week I am going to reveal my skincare regimen. I need to be using this more often, and the reason why I haven't been using it because I've just been so busy with my hair that I haven't been really taking care of my face, and I've been breaking out and getting all these zits and just oils, and it's a nightmare. So this week I'm going to show you, I'll give you a recipe on my concoction for your skin, which has oatmeal in it. It's very good to exfoliate and soothe. It has honey in it. It's emollient to moisturize your skin. It has baking soda in it. It has a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of rice bran or rice flour. You can use that. So the list goes on, and I want to share that. I also have a skincare spin care system. Skincare or spin care system, and this is the giveaway that I promised that I would do in 2019. I just never got around to it, but I basically use this. It's called Radiance Spin Care System. Radiance Spin Care System, and this is going to be what I'm going to give away. I have two of them. Another one I would like to give to one of you. So there's going to be a question in the subscription box. You have to answer it, send me an email, and whoever I choose, one of the videos, the upcoming videos, your name is going to be pulled and you're going to win this spin care system. Now I know this was about a little over $100 a few months back, but I think now it's on sale for like 30 or 40 bucks. So even 30 or 40 bucks is still a lot for some. But yeah, you're gonna get this. So one of you guys are gonna own this. So let me just show you this real quick. This is what I'm gonna be using with my skincare, my concoction that I have. And mind you, my skin is really in need. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's in need of something being done to it. Okay, so I just took it out of the box, all right? And basically, this is it. This is basically the spinning wand. This is the wand right here. And it's kind of heavy actually. Okay. And this is what I'm going to use initially to clean my face. I'm gonna put the concoction on my face, and I'm gonna use this. And then next, I'm going to exfoliate with this. It feels like it's some kind of stone or something, so I'm going to exfoliate with this. Now, this little thing right here can basically be used in, as a body wash. You can use this in the shower, and it cleans your body very well. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I attach this. And it's very simple. There it is. You just basically attach it. It has a little thing here, and I don't know if you can hear it, and that's it. Alright, so let me go ahead and get set up. I already got this ready. Let me get set up so I can get the this little concoction here ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and go from there. I'm back. I actually forgot to tell you that you're gonna need cotton balls, okay? And I do have a toner, which is made of witch hazel, which is now natural. And I have rose water that I use, so I'll show you guys that. But for starters, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my skin, get it all nice and subtle, put a little moisture on it. And my skin is actually very dirty. And I do apologize for the lighting, because this time of day, sometimes the sun comes up and it gives me a really nice lighting, and then other times the lighting is just honestly terrible. So it's like shading. There's like a tree at my window, and it just covers the sun. So all right, so this is, get my face ready. And I'm almost too embarrassed to show you how dirty my face is, but it's actually really dirty. It's really, really dirty. All right, so I got 3 more cotton balls I'm gonna put aside, and I am gonna go ahead and apply this concoction of mine. I am going to apply it to my skin. It actually feels really good on my skin. To get up a little closer so you guys can see. And this oatmeal in it actually helps relieve eczema and psoriasis. It's very soothing and exfoliating. So I'm just using my hand right now, but I am going to go to the skincare spinner. All right. Okay. Turn it on. And this is what it does. I don't know if you can hear it. And it's cleaning. It feels really, really good. That honey in there is just making it's just absorbing into my pores. And baking soda is to help balance the pH on the skin. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off. Now, I am gonna go ahead and exfoliate a little deeper because I have very deep pores that fill up, and that's why I get pimples. I'm pimple prone, so I need to go in there and really exfoliate and go dig down deeper into my pores. So I just attached the little stone here, and let me just go ahead and start exfoliating. This actually feels really good. It almost, when you listen to it, you would swear that I'm shaving, and I'm not. Now the thing is, when you get really close to your eyes, you need to close your eyes because God forbid, you don't want this stone to get to your eye because it will literally damage your eyes. So if you're getting closer, just close your eyes. I always do that when I get too close, but this is just totally exfoliating. Open the other eye. Let's go between eyes here. Get my forehead. This thing is a charm. It really, really cleans. And one of you guys are going to get this. One of you guys are going to get this. So, like I say, it's valued at, I don't know what it's valued at now, but before it used to be about $100. Yeah. This is nice. All right, I'm going to stop. All right, I'm done with that. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this on my skin because I feel like it's kind of lifted up a lot of the dead skin cells using that stone. So I'm just gonna soothe a little more of the oatmeal on there, on my skin. And mind you, this is all natural, and this will give you beautiful, radiant skin without having to go to the department store and spend $100. You can actually do all this DIY yourself to make a really beautiful skin cleanser. A little bit on my under my chin here. This could be a little messy too. Oh, this oatmeal feels so good on my skin. So that is it with this. Now the next step is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. Then I am going to use my toner, and I'll show you. And I bought this toner from Walmart, so it's Has witch hazel, natural stuff in it, and then my rose water, just to kind of, you know, just give it that soothing, nice feel. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. I have rinsed this off of my face, and I want to leave the water on my face because I'm going to show you I do not use a washcloth or a rag. I use clean cotton balls to clean. You know, this is fresh and clean. You use it and you throw it in the garbage. So to clean the water off, I just use cotton ball, because you know the rags or the towels you use over and over, and you don't want to recontaminate your skin after just clean, you know, giving it such a wonderful cleaning. It's almost like going to the spa. So you might can see a little bit of the turmeric in there. So let me take that out. Nice clean washcloth, not washcloth, I'm sorry, I said washcloth, cotton ball. So yeah, ladies, if you are in your 30s, late 30s, early 40s, mid 40s, early 50s, this is a very good skincare regimen, natural, DIY that you can do to stay looking young. Now, I'm not going to tell y'all how old I am, but I'm sure you guys can kind of figure out, maybe guesstimate. Some of y'all are going to be way far off. I really am curious to find out, you know, how old, some of you guys, if y'all can kind of guess how old I am to win this product. If you're close, you win. I am not going to tell y'all my age, not at this point in time, because I like to stay looking. Well, let me be quiet because I don't want to give it away. All right, so my skin is nice and clean. Nice and clean. You can see there's a little pimple there, but yeah, nice and clean. All right, I have the Dixon Enhanced Witch Hazel. It's a hydrating toner, and it does have rose water in it, even though I actually have an extra bottle of rose water that I like to use. So, all right. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to take this witch hazel and I'm going to finish cleaning, because I have exfoliated all the dead skin cells. So now I want to go still a little deeper and get this witch hazel in there to kind of help pull out even more some of the, you know, dirt, whatever that's in there. So let me go ahead and show you guys how dirty my face is, because sometimes if my face is really dirty, it still will have in this phase, it still will have a little bit of dirt on the cotton ball. Now right now you just probably see just the yellow, which is the turmeric, and that's actually a good thing. So that means I really got most of the dirt out. So here it is. I'm just gonna pour a little bit. I would recommend using a cotton ball per side of the face. Don't take the cotton ball that you're doing on this side and you're already getting dirt out, and then you're gonna contaminate this side. But everything's pretty much clean, so it's all good. All right. This is what I got. Still got a little turmeric in there. All right. Get under this chin. Now, I normally do my neck, but the reason why I'm passing today, because it's very messy and it's something that I do when I know I'm gonna get in the shower and clean it off. Right now, that would be a disaster, me putting it all on my neck and then trying to rinse it off. So I usually do all that in the shower, but I'm bypassing that for the sake of just demonstration. All right, so I'll use the witch hazel to clean my neck, and I use a little bit of this to clean my neck too. Ladies, it's important to get your neck. You see these women with, they look like glam queens, and you know they're in their 70s or 80s. Face look glamorous, they've had their Botox and it's stretched all tight. But then when you look at their neck, you're like, oh my God, whoo. So yeah, keep that neck clean, ladies. We're all getting old. So, but yeah, just take care of that neck, girl. All right. So last but not least, get a few more cotton balls here. Got a little bag here. Last but not least, I am going to use my rose water. And this is just to soothe. Oh man, this feels really good. And you can actually use one cotton ball for your whole face because you basically cleaned everything, got all that dirt out of your pores. So you can just take the cotton ball that you put the rose water on and just go over your whole face. That is perfectly okay. I'm trying to. That looks good. It feels really terrific, ladies. It feels terrific. All right, so I am pretty much done showing you guys what I do to clean my face. So this is the end of the video. I want to say if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button if you like the tutorial. I'm going to leave in the description box the ingredients for this skin concoction that I put on my face, and also the email address with the question to win this wonderful Radiance Spin Care System. If you're really into hair and skin and whatnot, there's so much more to come, but I do appreciate you guys that have been following me. But anyhow, with that being said, I just want to let you guys know that much love to you all. Thank you so much for your support, and until next week, I'll be seeing you on Nat Tuesday. So as I always say, be natural, stay natural. Many blessings. God bless you. Love you guys. Take care. Mwah.